What if I told you that 75 years from now, Earth might be unrecognizable, not because of some distant cosmic event, but because of choices we make right here, right now? The next 75 years will determine whether humanity becomes a multiplanetary species or remains confined to this pale blue dot, whether our planet heals or deteriorates beyond recognition, and whether we unlock the mysteries of the cosmos or watch from the sidelines as the universe continues its eternal dance without us truly understanding it. Looking up at the night sky today, we see stars that died millions of years ago, their light only now reaching our eyes. But when we look toward the future, what will those who gaze upward in the year 2100 see? Will they witness massive orbital structures glinting in the sunlight, space elevators stretching toward the heavens, or perhaps the first permanent settlements on Mars reflecting the pale red light of a distant sun? The truth is, the next 75 years represent the most critical period in human history from a cosmic perspective. We stand at a crossroads where our technological capabilities are finally matching our astronomical ambitions. Climate scientists tell us that the decisions we make in the next 2 decades will shape Earth's habitability for centuries to come. The global temperature could rise by 2 to 4 degrees Celsius, fundamentally altering weather patterns, ocean currents, and ecosystems that have existed for millennia. But here's where astronomy and space science become crucial to our survival story. As we push the boundaries of Earth, space agencies worldwide are accelerating plans for off-world colonization. NASA's Artemis program aims to establish a permanent lunar base by the 2030s, serving as a stepping stone for Mars missions. Private companies are developing reusable rockets that could make space travel as common as international flights. Within 75 years, we might see the first humans born on another world, children who will never feel Earth's gravity, whose bones and muscles develop under Martian or lunar conditions. The James Webb Space Telescope has already revolutionized our understanding of the early universe, showing us galaxies that formed just a few 100 million years after the Big Bang. Imagine what telescopes will have in 75 years. We might directly image exoplanets in such detail that we can map their continents and oceans, detect atmospheric signatures of alien industrial civilizations, or even receive our first confirmed signals from intelligent extraterrestrial life. Earth's relationship with the cosmos will transform dramatically. Asteroid mining could become a trillion-dollar industry, bringing rare earth elements and precious metals from space rocks to fuel our technology. The first solar power satellites might beam clean energy directly to Earth, solving our energy crisis while reducing our carbon footprint. Space-based manufacturing could move polluting industries off our planet entirely, allowing Earth to heal while humanity continues to advance. Meanwhile, our planet itself will undergo profound changes. Sea levels could rise by up to 2 meters, redrawing coastlines and displacing hundreds of millions of people. But this same period could also witness the greatest environmental restoration in human history if we choose that path. Imagine forests regrowing across previously barren lands, oceans recovering from acidification, and extinct species brought back through advanced genetic techniques. The night sky will look different too. Satellite constellations numbering in the tens of thousands will create a new kind of celestial display, though astronomers worry about light pollution blocking our view of distant stars. We'll track near-Earth asteroids with unprecedented precision, and we might even witness the first successful planetary defense mission, deliberately deflecting a dangerous space rock away from our world. In 75 years, quantum computers might finally crack the deepest mysteries of physics, helping us understand dark matter and dark energy, the invisible substances that make up 95% of the universe. We could develop propulsion systems that reach a significant fraction of light speed, making interstellar probes to Alpha Centauri, not just theoretical, but actual missions in progress. The cosmic perspective teaches us that Earth is simultaneously precious and vulnerable. We orbit an average star in an ordinary galaxy, one of hundreds of billions in the observable universe. Yet as far as we know, this small world is the only place where life exists, where consciousness has emerged to contemplate the cosmos itself. The next 75 years will reveal whether we're wise enough to protect this oasis of life, while brave enough to extend our reach beyond it. So as you look up tonight at the stars scattered across the darkness, remember that you're witnessing not just ancient light from distant suns, but the future playground of humanity. The next 75 years of Earth will be written by the choices we make today, choices about climate action, space exploration, technological development, and our relationship with the cosmos. Whether that story becomes one of triumph or tragedy depends on us, the current inhabitants of this beautiful, fragile, extraordinary planet suspended in the vastness of space.